Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, your one-stop solution for all natural remedies. In this video, we are going to prepare a face pack to clear your skin in summers and monsoon. So first of all, let's introduce our ingredients. Here I'm starting with my first ingredient is milk with cream, or you can say cream with milk. Here I'm clearing myself that it is not a pure milk or pure cream. You have to take the mixture of milk and milk's cream. Our second ingredient is clear our skin. That is neem leaf powder. It is homemade and I made it by myself. Neem leaf powder is really very effective on acne and acne prone skin. It makes your skin smooth and brighter. Here is my third beauty partner, that is Fuller's Earth or clay. Everybody knows about this product. This is an incredible thing you have ever seen. Here is the fourth one, that is my favorite, rice powder or rice flour. It makes your skin smooth and bright. It scrubs your skin too well. In case you have any type of darkness caused by sun or dirt, simply scrub this with water and you will see the difference. Here's my fifth one, that is the turmeric powder. Everybody knows about this powder. This is really very magical. So here I'm not introducing this as much. The fifth item is honey. Here I'm using natural honey. You can use any you want. It makes your skin smooth and brighter. Now, so let's get started and discover the power of nature's beauty. Now let's start the making of the face pack. Here I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon of neem leaf powder. As I told you, it's a magical powder. It makes your skin smoother, brighter and clear all your acne and pimples. So must have this powder, okay? I'm using neem leaf powder that I made by myself. Here I'm using the second ingredient, that is Fuller's Earth. As I told you, it's very magical to the oily skins, and if you have bad types of acne and severe acne, then must use this product. It is amazing for you. Here I'm adding only half tablespoon of Fuller's Earth. Now I'm adding almost 1 tablespoon of rice powder in the pack. Rice powder makes your skin bright and flawless, so it's must to add this. Basically, rice powder is my favorite friend because it suits me and it makes my skin brighter and shinier. Now it's the turn for the turmeric. Here I'm going to add a pinch of turmeric in my pack. Everybody knows turmeric is a great anti-aging and anti-acne product. Here I'm using simple kitchen turmeric to my face pack. You need not any type of specific turmeric. Pinch of turmeric in my pack. Here is it. Turmeric makes your skin glow and reduces the dark spots. Now we have to add honey. Approximately half tablespoon I'm gonna add it. In case you have extremely dry skin, you can use 1 and 1.5 tablespoon of honey. Here I'm using only half tablespoon. Now just mix all the ingredients with it. Here I'm using a spoon to mix all this. You can use any type of wooden stick in case you don't have. Here I'm mixing the ingredients with the help of spoon. Now I'm gonna add the cream milk into the pack. In this video, I'm gonna tell you two types of consistency of a face pack. The first consistency is my personal favorite. Hope you like it. For the first consistency, you need to mix the milk cream and the dried powder together. You will see the real consistency of the face pack soon. Now I'm adding the milk and let's mix it together. In case you also like the thick consistency face mask, make sure you do not add too much liquid in it. Now I'm mixing the milk cream and the powder together with no lumps. So this is my favorite consistency and it is really very easy to apply and it makes your skin so much smooth and brighter. Here I'm going to show you that how I apply it on my face. Now I'm applying on my hand. So as you can see it, you can clearly see that This is the consistency of the viral face mask we have all seen on internet. Trust me, it's really very easy to apply and it makes your skin smooth, healthy and makes the acne free. All you need to apply a thick layer on your clear face. Make sure your face is already washed and cleared. Apply it and remove it after 20 to 25 minutes. Now I'm showing you how to remove this face mask from your face or your any part of your body. It is very soft and very gentle. Remove it fully and wash your hand with plain water. You will clearly see the glass skin behind the mask. As we added creamed milk, so it makes your skin smoother and shinier. It is the perfect face mask for dry skin and normal skin people. So you can see the face mask of my favorite consistency. Now let's talk about the people who is not comfortable in this consistency. So what to do? Here I'm giving you 2 to 3 options to make it more liquidy. For the people who like cake batter consistency of a face mask, add some water in it as I'm showing you. In case you don't want to add water, you can use rose water if it suits you. And if you want more clear skin, then you can use buttermilk or hunk curd in it. Mix it with water until you get the perfect lump-free consistency of a face mask. So now you can see this is the perfect consistency of a face mask. Hope you like this consistency. In case you want it more liquidy, you can add more water or curd or whatever you added. Now I'm showing you how to apply the face mask on your body, face or wherever you want it. Now you can see it how easy it is. Just take a little amount and scrub it on all over your face, hands or wherever you want to apply it. Just scrub it for 2 to 3 minutes and leave it for 20 to 25 minutes. It makes your skin smooth, clear and brighter. In case you are looking for a body acne treatment, this is the perfect scrub for any type of body acne. Use it and it makes your skin clean and clear. So this is how you have to apply after 2 to 3 minutes of scrubbing. Make sure to apply a thick layer on your face or your body. As I told you before, and everybody knows it very well, that you have a clean skin or a washed skin before you apply the pack. I hope you liked the video and the remedy. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you soon.